Meta Smart Glasses battery draining fast. Easy fix. Are your Meta Smart glasses running out of battery faster than usual? Do not worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the battery drain issue and make your glasses last longer throughout the day. First, check if too many features are turned on. Voice commands, camera, and Bluetooth all consume battery. Try turning off the camera preview or microphone when not needed, and disable Bluetooth if you're not connected to your phone. Next, make sure your glasses are running the latest firmware. Open the MetaView app on your phone, go to Settings, Devices, and check for updates. Firmware updates often include battery optimization improvements that fix power draining bugs. Don't let your battery completely drain before recharging. Charge your glasses when they reach around 20% and avoid keeping them at 100% for too long. Consistent, moderate charging helps extend battery life over time. Once you have adjusted these settings and habits, you should notice a big improvement in battery performance. Now, you can enjoy longer listening, recording, and interaction time with your MetaSmart glasses, fully powered for your day.